One of my absolute favorite tools and resources I share with clients is the feelings wheel. It can be a game changer when it comes to how you understand and name your emotions. Maybe you've seen it before, a colorful wheel full of feelings words. And it's more than a chart, it's a guide to emotional awareness. Think about the vocabulary you have and use when describing your emotional state. I imagine many of you will say happy, mad, sad, tired, and perhaps more. And as you've experienced, our emotions are a lot more nuanced than that. The feelings wheel can offer more clarity, precision, and offer an opportunity for connection to ourselves and to others. The feelings wheel is broken down into layers. At the center, we have the core, primary emotions. Perhaps these are familiar to you. In the middle ring, we have more broad language, secondary emotions related to the primary emotions. And at the outer edges, we have even more specific and nuanced emotions. We can expand our vocabulary. We can go from I'm upset to I'm feeling overwhelmed, neglected, frustrated. That level of clarity can change how we communicate, connect, and care for ourselves. There are several different versions of the feelings wheel, but the one I'm sharing today was created by Dr. Gloria Wilcox in the early 1980s. Her purpose was to create an aid to assist clients in learning how to identify, express, generate, and change emotions. In her creation of the feelings wheel, she incorporated the relationship between color and feelings, therefore, in a way, color coding a certain feeling with a color. And then in using shades and blends of intensity to color code the even more nuanced emotions. The feelings wheel ends up being both visually striking and educational. Wilcox believed that increased vocabulary allowed for more spontaneity and creativity when sharing emotions and potentially interact with others on a deeper level. When we can name our emotions, describe our internal landscape, we gain more power and control. We can move with confidence through healing and change. And as Dr. Siegel says, if you can name it, you can tame it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Digital Art for Inner Peace art healing course. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.